the multi-user access feature available is a premium feature within Hibbitt's Auto Pro shop management software. This scenario covers the need for a shop owner to provide access to their employees and staff without giving them their username and password. This access, granted by the shop owner, will provide the employees with access only to certain areas of Hibbitt's Auto Pro shop management software that will be relevant to their line of work. Anytime you may have a need for an employee or staff member to have access to your shop management software, you can grant them access using this premium feature. I'm going to be going over how to sign up for this feature and how to add your first premium sub-account. To get started, users will be in the Users tab. We're going to go ahead and click on this now. We'll be presented with a modal which will let us know that this is a premium feature and that we have not yet signed up for it. There's two ways to access a way to sign up for this premium feature. You can click this billing link here, which will take you directly to the billing page, or you can navigate to it under My Profile, Account Billing. Here you can see a list of all the available Pro features that you can sign up for. The one that we're going to be working with today is called Multi-User Account Access. There is a 10-day free trial period for this tool. So after entering your credit card information, you will not be billed for the first 10 days to give you a chance to experiment and become familiar with this new feature to make sure that it fits your needs. After that, there will be a recurring bill of $5 monthly to maintain access to the feature. To get started, you click this Sign Up for a Free Trial button. A form appears that invites you to enter your credit card information. I'm going to enter my payment details here. I'm going to pause the video and resume it after this is complete. Alright, we've entered our payment information, and after entering our payment information, we can see that we are presented with a success message that we have signed up for this new premium feature, and we can see in our Active Pro Features area that we are now subscribed to the Multi-User Account Access feature, and our status is trialing. This means that we have 10 days without being charged to try out the software and make sure it fits our needs, after which we will be charged $5 a month to maintain access to the feature. This is billed on a monthly basis, and our next bill will be on November 9th. To add our first user, now that we subscribe to this feature, we navigate to the User tab. I can see that currently there's only one user that has access to the software. This is my user as the company admin. We're going to add a new user now. In the top right hand screen we have a button here, Add New User. I'm going to click it. I'm presented with a modal in which I can enter the employee's information. This is the employee's email address, and after submitting this form, the employee will receive an email with instructions and a link on how they can get access to your account. The role field here, we have two different roles currently. We have company member and company admin. Company admin is your role, and depending on your needs, you can add additional admin, or you can add members with less permissions called company members. The difference here is that the company admin will have access to all the same features that you have access to, including your billing information, your company profile, your dashboard, and many other things. The company member role has limited access only to customers, work orders, products, and vehicles. They'll be able to update and view work orders, products, vehicles, and customer information on your behalf. We're going to add company member to this user. We're going to click OK. This user has been sent an email address, or been sent an email to the email address that you have on file for them. If they're having trouble signing up, you can go ahead and click Activate User, and when the user goes to sign in, their account will be created, and they'll be prompted to create a password when they sign in. At this point, we're going to pretend to be this employee so that I can demonstrate what the employee will experience as they attempt to sign up for their account. I have a different browser open for this purpose. So the employee will receive an email. In this email, they'll have an activation link. They can either click on this link or they can copy the link and they can paste it into their browser. The employee will be invited to agree to some terms of service. They choose to accept the terms of service. Their account creation will be successful, and they can go to their shop and they can view customers within your shop, work orders, products, and more. Their account access will be limited, and they will only be able to update their profile information, which would be a good idea. This concludes the demonstration of signing up for the multi-user account access feature and demonstrating how to provide access to your first employee. If you need anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us by contacting us using the contact form submission link on our website, available at hibbittsautopro.com. Using Contact Us and submitting your message here.